Sweet Child of Mine by Caroline Jane Church. I love you in the morning at the start of every day. I love you in the evening when sunshine goes away. I love you when the stars glow in the dim moonlight. I love you in the silence that comes with every night. I love you when the wind is still and in the warm spring breeze. I love you in the summer sun and with the fallen leaves. I love you in the crisp white snow that quietly fills the sky. I love you in the stormy air when strong dark clouds pass by. Let's watch the world together in rain or snow or shine.